how to watch private YouTube videos. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipan Basner, and today I'll guide you on how you can watch private YouTube videos. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, what you want to do is you want to open up YouTube and you want to head into your videos. First, head into your profile on the bottom right corner of the screen, and then tap on view channel and tap on manage videos, and you'll be able to see all your videos, private or public. Now similarly, if you want to watch someone else's private video, then what you'll have to know is their private video won't be available on their channel. What you'll have to do is you'll have to ask them to share their link, their video link, and only then you'll be able to view it. Now I'll show you how you can share the link. Right, first you can see I have certain videos and most of them are private. Right, if I tap on one private video, tap on three dots there and then tap on share video option, it'll ask you to change your visibility. First it'll ask change visibility and share. To share your video, visibility must be changed to unlisted. So basically unlisted means your video can be viewed by someone who has the link, but it won't be public, so it'll only be shown to someone who has a link. So basically simply tap on set to unlisted and then you'll get the share option there, and now you can share it to anyone using by copying the link, and you can send the link. Whoever gets the link will be able to look at your video and view it. However, any other else without the link won't be able to access the video. So this way you can watch private videos on YouTube. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.